This is Force 13, Australian and Oceania Channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology has various warnings in place, and a severe weather warning remains in place for the southwestern parts of the lower west, south coastal and Great Southern Districts, WA. And the warning is for the southwest parts of the lower west, south coastal, Great Southern Districts. Damaging winds possible with the passage of another cold front across southwest WA from this afternoon. The cold front is approaching southwest WA and will move through from Monday afternoon with the potential for severe weather. Showers of squally thunderstorms associated with the front may produce damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts to 100 kilometres an hour, which could cause damage to homes and property. Damaging winds expected to develop about the southwest capes around 3 p.m, extending eastward to the southwest of the line from Graziers to Walpole, including Perth, by about 2000 hours tonight. Moderate to heavy rainfall is likely over the southwest district. Tides are currently higher than expected, particularly in the Geography Bay area, likely to remain high than expected for the remainder of today and Tuesday. Damaging surf conditions could also cause beach erosion, likely to develop during Tuesday morning between Geraldton and Albany. Locations which may be affected: Bunbury, Busselton, Mandurah, Mungim, Margaret River, Perth, Augusta, Dunsborough, Harvey, Lazarton, Walpole and Yanchep. Bureau of Meteorology also has in place a gale wind warning currently in place for the Perth local waters, the Lazarton, Perth, Bunbury Geography and Leeuwin coast. Strong wind warning for the North Kimberley, Gascoyne, Geraldton, Albany, Esperance and Echuca coast. And for tomorrow, gale warning will be in place for the Perth coast, Bunbury Geography, Leeuwin, Albany, Esperance coast. Strong wind warning, Perth local waters, the North Kimberley, Geraldton, Lazarton and Echuca coast. South Australia, strong wind warning for the south central, lower south east coast. Bureau's cancelled the run for the upper south east coast. And for tomorrow, strong wind warning for the lower south east coast. And what's going on down in Tasmania? They've got some warnings. We start off with the strong wind warning for the Durham Estuary, the Frederick, Henry, Norfolk, Storm Bays, the Channel, far northwest coast, the lower east, southeast, southwest and the central west coast. Strong wind warning for much of the same area tomorrow. And something that caught my eye, considering I've been helping with the streaming of the earthquake channel, and quite a bit of activity. Initial minor flood warning for the Huon River. A low pressure system over the northwest of the state will bring areas of rain over the catchment during today. Forecast rain for the 24 hours from 9 a.m. Monday will likely range from 20 to 50 millimetres with isolated higher totals in the more elevated parts of the catchment. For the 24 hours to 9 a.m. Monday, recorded rainfall over the Huon with 10 millimetres to 25 millimetres in the lower elevations, with totals up to 45 millimetres in more elevated areas. Strong and dangerous flows will be a hazard over the next couple of days. Meteorology has a strong wind warning in place, Victorian region, the west and central coast, and I've cancelled the one for the Port Phillip Bay and Western Port. And a strong wind warning will also be in place for the west and east Gippsland coast on Tuesday. And we come up to New South Wales, strong wind warning, Macquarie and the Hunter coast. Similar warning for Tuesday. And the Bureau of Meteorology has a strong wind warning in the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria here in Queensland. Now we have a look at the 12-hourly rainfall provided by the Bureau of Meteorology. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. Current temperature is 14.8 in Sydney, 12.5 Melbourne, 20.4 Adelaide, Brisbane, 20.4 in Perth, 13.4 Adelaide, 11.5 Hobart, 9.3 Canberra, 29.8 in Darwin. Now we have a look at the total forecast of rain. Possible showers, Sydney showers, Melbourne, sunny here in Brisbane, showers developing over in Perth, few showers also for Adelaide, rain becoming windy Hobart, partly cloudy in Canberra and sunny in the Northern Territory's capital city, Darwin. And a little bit of blue to the south of the Margaret River, down there on the southern tip of WA. Now we have a look at the 850 millibars, and it's the wind. The information's at the bottom of the screen in knots. This is from 1300 hours through to 2200 hours tomorrow night. And one could say that we're probably in for a repeat of last winter when we consider the amount of cold fronts that impacted the southern states. And one of my favourites is the 850 millibar vorticity. And there's two areas vorticity. The vorticity scale is the right hand side of the screen. And finally in this update, here's a look at the upper level divergence. Please continue to monitor our channel for the latest information, and if you haven't already subscribed to the Earthquake channel, the invitation is there.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.